We review top performers, and we examine them with an eye to control, brightness, and ease of installation. We've identified the best, highlighting specific purposes for each set we've deemed worthy. There are many products available to choose LED strip lights, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best LED strip lights from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Daybetter 16.4 foot kit with remote. The Daybetter 16.4 foot kit with remote standard is an affordable and easy to use option. With a simple setup and minimal components, this is a good plug and play option. Amongst the products we tested, the Daybetter is one of the least expensive. For simple accent lighting around your home, it's hard to do better than this Daybetter. To enjoy the savings, you make some trade-offs. The power cord is less than half the length of some other choices, limiting your installation options. The Daybetter's white mode also emits a bluer light than most. In comparative and objective tests, we found this product to be less bright than most of the competition. However, for casual accent lighting, these differences probably won't be as apparent. Positive side of this product. Widely available. Simple. Negative side of this product. No app connection. Short power cord. Number 2. Govee Smart LED Strip Lights. The Govee Smart is a user-friendly kit that conveniently offers 3 different methods to control the device. It is fully Bluetooth compatible, letting you operate it from an app on your smart device. It also has a small remote that offers a good amount of control, and the power cord has a built-in controller that has minimal functionality, but gets the job done. The lights can sync to music, offering simple but fun light shows. These LED strip lights are not the brightest, but they are a good solution for mood or backlighting. Although the 16.5 foot strip won't cover an entire room, it's plenty to have some fun with. If you're in the market for user-friendly lights with multiple control options, this could be a good option. Positive side of this product. 3 different control options. User-friendly. Negative side of this product. Not the brightest. Expensive for the length. Number 3. Nexillumi 65.6 feet LED lights. The Nexillumi 65.5 foot ultra long provides more than enough length to light up even the largest spaces. Not only does this kit come with 65.6 feet of LED lights, but its power cord also has more than a 9-foot reach, which truly maximizes the length you can get out of this system. The light system is smartphone compatible, allowing you to control the settings from your phone, the provided remote, or the built-in controls on the power cord. The lights have 8 different dim settings, and can sync their pulsing and fading to music. Depending on your needs, the length of the power cord and lights could be too much. If you're looking to light up a small space, having more than 9 feet of the power cable to manage could be cumbersome and make your space look and feel cluttered. This kit is ideal for those looking to light up a large open space. Positive side of this product. Extra long length. App enabled. Negative side of this product. The power cord is obnoxiously long. Middle of the road brightness. Number 4. MINGER RGB LED Strip Lights. The MINGER 16.4 foot strip lights fall squarely into the middle of the pack. Offering decent performance at a reasonable price, it's hard to go wrong with these lights. They're brighter than average, but the white mode is less white than others. The power cord is longer than average, which is a plus. This might not seem like a big deal, but when you want to take advantage of these products' low-profile quick installation, you don't want to clutter the look by adding a suitable extension cord. These lights seem to come from the same manufacturer as the Govee lights. The box they came in says MINGER on the outside. Inside, though, all the instructional materials say Govee. The MINGER light components we have do not say Govee or MINGER on them at all. Very few strip light components, each consists of strip, power cord, control box, app, remote, from any brand have brands written on them. Interestingly, the Govee lights we reviewed just below are some of the only ones that feature the brand on the components. Positive side of this product. Bright. Large remote. Negative side of this product. White mode is bluish. Number 5. Daybetter LED Strip Lights. The Daybetter 16.4 foot Wi-Fi option is an entirely revamped version of their standard model. The Wi-Fi version, as the name suggests, can be controlled through a phone app. With an internet connection at home and a smartphone, the lights can be controlled from anywhere you have cell data. The rubberized light strips are surely more durable than the non-reinforced alternatives. In our head-to-head testing, we found the Daybetter Wi-Fi to be brighter and whiter than most. Our primary complaint with this model is the short cord, which is only 44 inches. A short power cord can be quite limiting in terms of where you can install these lights. Also, if you choose to operate these Daybetter lights without the app, it's included infrared remote as limited controls. Positive side of this product. Bright. White mode is pretty white. Negative side of this product. Generic app. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.